Hello everyone. Today is devlog day 3. Actually, wait, day 4 actually. I don't even know. So, we're going to make perfect animations and fail animations. They're going to be derived from the normal animation. So, this is the fail animation to be or like the bad animation of the basic animation in Blader's Neon, which I'm going to save and I'm going to show you the difference between both. So, this is the normal animation and this is the fail animation. Now we're gonna work. I'm not gonna work on the ones that have cutscenes. So like Dash Launch and Launch 2 aren't gonna have. Uh, I'm not gonna work on them right now because it's gonna take a lot of time changing the way the camera looks and everything. So first, I'll work on the ones without a camera or a cutscene, to be exact. Well, this is our animation. We can see that there's anticipation and then the overreaction or something, and then you turn back to same place. Well, how can we over exaggerate it when it's already over exaggerated? By going to frame 180 and just making the hands and rotate a bit more, and also by fixing the hand degree like this. Making the torso turn back a bit more, and the legs go back. Those animation don't need a lot of changes since the I work pose to pose, which means when you are working pose to pose, when work is done from pose to pose, the animation mostly just needs to be worked on that, needs polishing. So it's simple to over exaggerate something from pose to pose instead of straight, because in straight, you don't have all animation ready and you don't know what to change since the animation isn't finished. By the way, I'm gonna go back out. I think that's simple. I may change it to in, but for now I'll just do it like this. And I'm gonna fix the head movement since the head is changing a lot of the place it looks. Like if you look at this straight point, I'll just show you from above. It needs to look straight away every time, but so yeah, we're gonna need to fix that. So actually, should I stay in? Should I just use in? Let's just actually. Why am I? Okay, wait, that's a lot. Keyframe edit selection and actually wait. Yeah, this seems okay. I've added a VFX in this purplish box thingy where I'm gonna be like I think this is the point where I'm gonna use the event. Yeah, I think this is the point. Okay. I'll use a sample script, so this is our new rig, the name of this rig. And in here, I think the left arm, I have golden sparks, which we're gonna use for the perfect type of animation with over exaggeration. But one moment, I'll. So I'm gonna use this script that I took from another YouTuber that's called Hazaze, or I don't know how it's pronounced, but yeah, it's just uses the animation events timing and makes the script to work. So workspace. It's our new rig dot. Let's say where is our animation? Where is our VFX? Left arm. Okay. We might need to change that name. Okay. Since I don't know if Roblox can see, dashes. Oh, left arm. It should see the golden sparks, but I'm just gonna go and say golden sparks 0 1. Okay, yeah. Let's see. What's the output? Slash tomato. Oh, well, okay. I'm just gonna use this as temporary solution. The code began and then or it's like this. Okay, now let's start polishing the animation. Since this looks a bit weird, I think I'm gonna make all of those linear for a moment. Take a look. Yeah, this looks a lot better. Okay, now let's fix the head movement, which is, we have a very easy fix for this. Item, rig, toggle onion skin. And you see this line, yeah? I just need him to follow that line every. I'm gonna look from above for a moment. No, he's looking a bit too down, so I'm gonna use the endpoint as reference, which is, I think, like this. Mm, okay, this seems to be perfect. I will copy this and then go to 120 and fix that. Which seems like is, though I need to fix. Okay. My hand is not steady, which. Okay, bro, please, can you just not wiggle? Okay, nice. An easy way to fix this is to not fix it, I guess, because the problem is in the. Okay, let's say I just paste it. Okay, yeah, no, that's like hell. Okay, nice. And now I can just go into item, rig, rig, clear onion skin, and play the animation once to see if it feels good, it looks good. Okay, that seems nice. The head is always focusing on one place, which is what we want for an R6 rig. The animation seems steady, the effects seem steady, and I'm just gonna need to look from here. Oh yeah, that's actually good. Yeah. Oh, I did something I shouldn't have done. So let's do like this. Anim save. What was this called? Animation beta. I should duplicate it and then save this, which means, oh yeah, this is the problem I was talking about. So okay, I'm gonna show the difference between the two animations. But first of all, I will. I forgot how to group them. I actually forgot how to group them. That's okay. Um, damn, I forgot how to do that. Handles gizmo. This is the team. Okay. Well, just to show the difference close by. This is the perfect animation, and this is the normal animation. Mhm. Now we're gonna need to make one more, which means actually I will duplicate this. Go back to the rig. Oh yeah, forgot. No, it doesn't matter which one of them. Okay, now we're gonna work on this. Now we're gonna make this a little less exaggerated, which means pose from here to here needs to be a bit more downish. Legs, okay, I forgot. More upwards rotation. Same thing here, we're gonna put the legs upwards, a bit backwards. Uh, in animations like this, you need to understand that the hands aren't the shoulders, but your torso acts as the shoulder. Okay, just these little changes make a lot of difference, but I don't like the way the legs are. And I understand why. This leg is too above which means I need to pull it down, pull it backwards. Yeah, need this leg. Takes the conversation. I need to go in the middle of these and make this linear and then make the other one. Okay, that should be enough for this animation, which we're gonna save. Now we have made three versions for this guy. I actually, before starting the video, the basic animation, which is this one, I made another animation for it I worked for, which is this one. But it seems like it's still over exaggerated when this needs to be the fail animation, so I will work on that by taking this hand forwards, downwards, backwards, and rotation a bit over here, bit like this, which is gonna help a lot, and I'm gonna be able to shit. I'm gonna be able to make this leg look. I delete this animation, but I think it was Control X something. Yeah. As I said before, the torsos are the shoulders, so the way the legs and the torso moves needs to be a bit on the same side. And this also seems great, so I will also save this. Now we're gonna make the perfect animation for Untitled, so I sure need to be able to. This one. Okay. Trying to understand which one of those is. I think I did something wrong. Yeah, I did something wrong. Here, this is the fail animation. Oh shit. What's the fail? Yeah, this is also a failed animation replica. Okay, got you. Okay, then I'm gonna use this as The Let's try using this as the perfect animation, which is pretty easy to work on since the positions are already made. So should we take this? Now this needs to be give it the effect of that it's over exaggerated. I need to. Okay. Now I understand the second thing. This is this, and here there's something that's making turn back. Gotcha. Okay. I'm gonna take the same. Okay, now I'm gonna take this as a wall and then work on it more, and then I'm gonna take this and work on it. Now, from here I need everything to be linear, so I need everything to be linear, so uh, uh, and in here I'm gonna do the continuous movement. I'm not the type of person who speaks a lot when I'm working, so this is on my own end, to be exact. I don't really get a thought process since when you are working on art or animations, the more you think, the more you try to overcomplicate things. The more the animation will look like it's gibberish. Okay, let's forget the idea about the leg going up. Let's unloop it. Okay, shit, I did the same thing. I think I'm gonna go for back in. I'll try the same. I'll try. Hmm. Okay, gotcha. Da-da-da-da-da. Out. Okay, I should actually be doing back. That's the first thing I realized just now. Need anything? What are you? Back out and then back in. And what are you? Cubic out. Then we're gonna go for cubic in. Okay, let's say this is good. Now we have two animations for N and beta, which I'm gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 1, then 2, 3, which then I can go. Okay, that's great. Now we're gonna work on flip animation. Uh, I don't know how to make this a perfect animation, so I'm just gonna make a fail type of it where the landing, we're gonna change the way he lands. He doesn't land perfectly. Which, how are we gonna do that, you may be asking? We're gonna make him crouch. Easy. Easy. So I'm gonna take the, you know, make this leg upwards, go here, and then instead of going for a full pose, I'm gonna be doing the type of thing. Now, actually, we'll copy all of this, and then let's say this is how the rig looks like here, which I'm gonna give this kind of parts just to be able to copy it, and then put it here, and then Control X, Control X. I will make the torso go for here. I will make the leg lay on land, BM it more. Make this leg go a bit to the front, a bit upwards, while also being a bit more curved, but to the front. The hands, instead of going all the way back, we're gonna make them a bit more on the relaxed side. Okay, now the only problem is that these aren't linear. I'm guessing those were back out, so I'm gonna make them back in, something like that, I guess. Will be a cool fix. Okay, I got you. Okay, now I understand. So there's a bit of wig. Yeah, yep. Instead of back, let's just go for cubic. I may need to change this a bit, but the torso needs to go up a bit, and then the leg needs low a bit. Actually, it needs to go up. Yeah, this seems this seems good. Yep, I like this. This is great. We can always polish it since it's a pose-to-pose animation, and the only important places are the places where we have poses, and then we can polish them in between. But this one is also great, so I'm gonna, I'm gonna save it. Now that I'm thinking about it, did I make a copy of this? We have this, which I'm gonna name you Flip Animation 1. I'm gonna name you Flip Animation 2, so I can group you, and we can say that, yeah, those are great. Next time, I'm gonna work on, uh, yeah, I forgot that the rig is not here because the camera, I forgot about it, so I will fix that. But we're gonna work on next time. We're gonna work on dash launch, which you might be remembering it like this. Dot and launch two. We also work on I think shoe. Yeah, but shoe is for next time. So next time we're gonna work on these three, but that's for next time, guys. So today I showed you how we work on animations and how we make derivations or exaggerations. At the same time, um, I finished my work. Well, not finished, half finished since we have these two, which we're gonna work on in the next video. So if you want more content like this, please like and subscribe. See y'all.